Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 5 would like to provide feedback regarding the maximum age limit when someone registers to be a candidate for president or vice president, whether it can be used as just cogent or not. My name is Gabriel Amazing Grace. The age limit for a person when registering as a presidential candidate cannot be used as discogents in international law, and here is a more in-depth explanation of why this is not possible. Discogent, also known as imperative law, are known of international law that are considered fundamental principles that cannot be contested by any state. Examples of discogents include prohibition against cruel acts, prohibition against cruel acts, and basic human rights. However, the age limit for presidential candidates does not meet this criteria because it is not included in the fundamental norms.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam, nama budaya, salam kebajikan, rahayu, rahayu. Perkenalkan, nama saya Putri Amalia dengan NIM 13122000129. Di sini saya akan membacakan tentang pemikiran kami minggu lalu. First, discogent actually refers to principles that are universal and very fundamental for the entire international community. The age limit for president candidate and or vice presidents is a rule that varies greatly from one country to another, and not all countries have the same age requirement. Therefore, it cannot be considered a universal principle. Second, discogent actually refers to issues relating to basic human rights and widely recognized moral norms, while the issue of age limits for presidential and or vice president candidates is an important issue in national politics. It is not directly related to human rights or universe. Sekian dan terima kasih.
Hello, let me introduce to myself. My name is Tania Melantika Masih Amali, and my student ID number is 131220088. In Indonesia itself, several parties are the opinion that minimum age limit of 40 years old for presidential and vice presidential candidates as regulated in Law Number 7 of 2017 concerning general election or UU election should be set to 35-year-old with the assumption that the young leader has the necessary skill, experience to run as presidential and vice presidential candidates. However, this is still a matter of debate and has not to be explicitly regulated in law.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shifa Raisa with student number 13122000101. The first is health and skills. Aging leaders may experience declining health and skills, which can impact their ability to perform leadership duty effectively. The second is possible personal interest. Leaders who have reached a very old age may be more susceptible to the influence of personal or particular groups' interests rather than prioritizing the interests of society as a whole. The third is social and technological change. Leaders from all the older generations may be less able to understand and respond to rapid social and technological change, can result in less relevant policies. The fourth is leader continuity. The inability of leaders to step down due to age can result in a lack of opportunities for younger generations to lead and bring about change. To overcome this problem. Some constitutions may include a maximum age limit in an effort to maintain the quality of leaderships and prevent approach may vary across countries. And such policies are always subjects of debate at national level.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Silva Francisca Utami with NIM 13122000079. The discussion regarding whether there should be a maximum age limit, presidential or vice-presidential candidate will depend greatly on a country's political norms and values, as well as how that country manages issues related to the latter age. Thus, trying to make the age limits for presidential candidates and use codes in international law would be very difficult, because this is not an issue that meets the criteria necessary to become an undisputable fundamental principle in international law. In addition, international law actually gives countries the authority to set their international rules, including age requirements for presidential candidates with intervention from international law.